Good afternoon, Rich Nass, Embedded Computing Design. I'm still in the ADLINK booth. It's Hall 3, booth 147, and I'm here with Marco Krause, the Managing Director for EMEA. How you doing, Marco?
Hey Rich, thanks for having me.
My pleasure. So one of the things that I always think about with ADLINK is that doing things with video sets you guys apart from some of your competitors. Would you talk about some of the things that you have going on with respect to video?
Fantastic, my pleasure, Rich. As we got the award for the most fantastic, innovative modular platform around with displays and modularities, let me just showcase some of the stuff we are doing there and what's differentiating us from many of the others around in the world. So actually, we are a Taiwanese company having our own R&D, having our own production lines. With our partnership with AOO, which is a shareholder of ADLINK, we have very good access to the pure panel business. And with our modular platform, as you, for example, can see here, we've very high chance in having versatile platforms, having just very adaptive scalar cards, and adopting our offering, our open frames to various customer needs. Important, for example, in medical requirements, industrial automation, robotics requirements. So we have a key platform, we can adopt it easily without reinventing the wheel from scratch.
Now you mentioned a lot of different applications that have different requirements. Medical, for example, is at the extreme end. From a design perspective, how different is that for you guys?
Yeah, very good point, Richard. So from design perspective, our platforms are generically multi-purpose, as I just said. So we can have just an adaptive scalar board, for example, for the medical requirements. Then we have a relatively flexible production line. So for the EMEA market, we have our production still in Deggendorf. That means we are producing our medical monitors locally there, according all the medical certifications, including FDS, ISO 1400. And that's where we are scaling up the business locally and globally, because we have the same setup as well in our headquarters in Taipei. And that's giving us really a rich I/O flavor without having a too high overhead for our customers.
And because you do your own manufacturing, is there any level of customization that you can do?
Absolutely, absolutely. So in theory, we can do it full scratch, full custom, right? But looking on today's world and today's environment, customers want to see faster return on their investment. They go for the semi-customized platform. That's why some adoptions to a given platform is the most common way and easiest way to scale up the business in the applications.
Very good, thank you, Marco.
My pleasure, Richard.
Come see for yourself. Hall 3, booth 147. Ask for Marco.